Great shot. What a great opening red. Nicely on the black as well. Lovely angle. Go into the pack here. I think so.
Yeah, it looks as if he'll have to come off 2 cushions, Ken, and try and glance off the reds. He's got to be very precise with this. Oh, he's played it well, but the cue ball's going close to the corner. No, it's okay. Terrific shot. That's an amazing pot. After missing the sitter of a black, he knocks a long red like that in. Superb cueing. Shot works out. An early opportunity in this 4th frame. Played it well. Is he having a go at this? He certainly is. Great shot. Okay, he played it as a shot to nothing, but
good shot. That's what he's got to try and get on. This looks absolutely perfect. What a positional shot that is. Fantastic. Couldn't have played that much better.
he's good at that type of shot, is Mark Allen. And if that pulls up, he's on the brown.